Rant maker, rant maker, make me a rant. Make me an oatmeal rant. How you doing, everybody? As you may know, this is my new web series, Oatmeal Rants, which I have my morning oatmeal. Usually, I drink my morning coffee. And I go off on a little rant. Let off a little steam, you know. Previous rants have been about how you can't get winter scarves off season. People don't sing Auld Lang Syne anymore. You get the idea. And of course, I also now have a new theme song. Excuse me. Which you heard at the beginning, and I hope you enjoyed it. Today's rant is about how microwaves come at different strengths. This is awfully confusing. Excuse me. I go to lunch at work. You know, I go to the break room, I bring my lunch, which I heat up in the microwave. I put that thing in the same dish as I eat at home. Put it in the microwave. It takes me 5 minutes to cook it. When it's finished, it's just hot enough for me. And I like my food hot. You know, like hot. You know, I like it lukewarm. Now at home, again the same dish. Put it in the microwave. You know, 3 minutes. Let's say it's a lot less than 5 minutes. I take it out, put it in my mouth. You know, it's like it's too hot for me, and I like it hot. You know, this is confusing. I have to figure out each microwave strength. You know, how about all the guys who make, or girls who make microwaves, decide on a universal strength for the microwave, so no one will have this guessing game they've got to play. Anyway, that's my rant for today. Excuse me. I hope you did enjoy it. And I'll see you soon.